Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can level up your research device in Heartopia. So go to any research device and select the research device level. And so here it is. You're just going to press level up. You do need some, you need to be like the level you are on the central console though. So if you're only like level 2, you can only level up once. If you're on level 3, you can level up 3 times. So it depends on the level of your central console. Your control console. But yeah, that is how you can upgrade it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.